Hello, you welcome back to Chrisford Explains. So, plastic bottles may variantly appear different. Nevertheless, the majority of them share a similar feature, and that is ridges. So, let's find out how these ridges are congenial to the overall usage of the bottles. So, primarily, plastic bottles are manufactured in such a manner to increase the overall stability of the bottles. Technically, these bottles are made with lighter plastic materials to reduce the cost of production. So, to avoid compromising on the strength of the bottles, the ridges are included in the design of the bottles to maintain their rigidity and stability. Also, the base of a plastic bottle is dented to withstand shocks when dropped accidentally, and to maintain the unique shape of the bottle when the content expands as a result of cooling. Secondly, the ridges enhance the hand grip of the bottles. For example, cold water can cause the surface of a plastic bottle to become slippery when it starts to cool down. As a result, this makes the handling a hassle, especially when the bottle has no ridges around the body. However, a bottle with ridges around the body has a better grip due to the friction felt on it when held. So that's it for today. I hope I was able to feed your curiosity. Kindly help promote the channel, spread the word. Click on the share button and share the video link with others. Be sure to give me a like as well, and most importantly, subscribe for more educative videos. So, thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. Bye!